Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I got a good one for you, maybe a use case that you haven't thought about using Gemini for, and that's in role-playing and having difficult conversations, and this could be a way for you to prepare and do a dress rehearsal for it, shall we say. So let's go ahead and get busy. So I'm going to come right into my prompt bar. I'm just going to paste my prompt that I already typed out. I need to have a difficult conversation with my supervisor slash boss. It's about a pay raise and the additional duties that I've been taking on as of late. I have had the same pay for 2 years running and would like an increase. My supervisor boss is actually the VP of the company. He seems fairly laid back, but when he talks business, he gets into business mode. So a little bit of a different personality. I'm trying to figure out what to say, in what order, and how to anticipate his likely reactions. Provide me an assisted mental rehearsal. Okay, so it's given me a framework on some of the things that I should say, what I can do, how I can work this conversation, and maybe towards my advantage. Now, you could do this for a number of different things, whether it's a difficult conversation like this, a interview that you want to prepare for. I actually had a group ask me about investigative purposes for training of uploading a specific or defining a specific profile of someone and then role play against it to see if they're being evasive or deceptive in any way, shape, or form. So you could do this in a number of different ways for those conversations that maybe you want to walk through first before you actually have it. So it gives you a little bit of the what to say and in what order. And we go through that, anticipating reactions, what to look for. And then here's where kind of the key piece comes in. We can come down to the bottom and ask, can we role play this right now? You don't even have to add right now. Let's do it. So she's gonna, as in Gemini, is gonna step into business mode as your VP. So remember, I'm not angry. I'm just looking at this through a corporate lens. Or we'll start right as you walk into my office, take a breath, lean on your prep, and set the stage. I look up from my laptop, smile, gesture in the chair across from me. Hey, good to see you. Pull up a seat. What's on your mind today? My turn. And then go ahead with what that prep actually was. So this is allowing you to get into that mode and actually role play having the conversation with Gemini. So I can just say, hey boss, wanted to see if I could pick your brain about a pay bump since I have been taking on additional responsibilities and have had the same pay for 2 years running. And I should take responsibility errors out of there, and let's see what happens with this one. And you can see it's giving me the IC. Well, always appreciate directedness. 2 years is a significant amount of time, and I know you've been working hard, but look, and so on and so forth. So now it's going back to me. So how would I react to this? So like I said, this is a great tool for you to be able to simulate and role play with for those challenging conversations that you may have. And this could even be for client interfacing, prepping for a big presentation or something like that. So with that, without further ado, I am going to go ahead and get out of here and let you get into your role playing. So until we meet again, another day, another time, another update, tip, trick, or hack, this is Triple G or Gary the Google Guy signing off.